I want to congratulate the new soldiers for graduating and becoming new soldiers. Hongera. The Ugandans should be happy because many of these young people, in fact all of them, are well educated. 5 of them here have got master's degrees. And I think one of them has got master's in medicine or something like that. And then 700 have got university degrees. 700. The only problem is that sometimes the educated become proud and look down upon manual work. But otherwise, educated people can make very good soldiers. They can make very good cadres in different areas.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.